We are
Hi,
live!
everyone.
Hello! Aloha, aloha! Merry
Good
Christmas!
Merry
Ho, ho,
Christmas
ho.
in advance, everyone.
Oh boy, it's a Christmas season, but here we are. But ain't we love this one? So anyway, today is December 20th, 2024. Oh my gosh, and it's 3:07 on my time zone in Hawaii. And Melekalikimaka to all who are there, and that means Merry Christmas to all. So
Merry
today,
Christmas!
yes, Merry
Happy
Christmas.
Christmas!
Today is a very exciting day because look at us. Even Christmas season, we are networking and we are collaborating with these lady bosses in the panel. And this topic for today is a very good topic because you know what? It's the ending of the year, and as we ending this journey of 2024, why don't we just look back what happened to us this year? And each one of us will share what is the most you are proud of that happened to you this year. So we will share that, each one of us in the panelists, and we will have a quick introduction. I will start with myself. I'm Amy from Island of Hawaii, Melekalikimaka, and I am a healthcare worker. I am proud digital business owner. And can you please share, Miss Regina? Come
Hi
in.
everyone. So I'm Regina, Pride Pinay, former caregiver, former housekeeper, former mental health care worker, now full-time online digital business owner. So we are here and inviting you all guys to watch us for this presentation. And we would love to engage with you as well. So let us know where you're watching us and leave us a message on the comment button to engage with us. Let us know if you have any questions of if you want to start an online business and you do not know where to start, just put that in the comment button. We'll be happy to guide you to your own online business. We'll see you.
All right. Thank you so much. And let's hear from Miss Nissan.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is Nessan coming to you live. I'm a mom, a wife, and a digital business owner, a proud digital business owner. I'm a therapist, and so happy to be with you guys today.
You, Miss Nissan, and we can hear from Miss Tabe.
Hello! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Tabby from Melbourne, Australia. And I'm actually sitting down outside and holding my phone. Is little bit. See, I've got my babies, my three musketeers with me. The another one, we are relaxing, and other one is lying down on the bed, on the floor, I can show. We all relaxing and doing the business in the same time. I'm Tabby from Melbourne, and also I'm a beauty therapist by profession. But of course, nowadays I would like to introduce myself, my new, my new, into like my new, what should I say, my new profession. I'm a proud owner of online digital marketing business. And thank you so much. I got this opportunity to come here and show my Christmas wish and New Year wish to all of you. Thank you, Sis Amy. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Miss Tabe. And you know what? Before we dive into our topic today, I want to show you how did we begin January 24 and ending of December 2024, ending this year. And if we look back, what are those events that had happened to us and why are we so proud of? And please hang on, join us and watch the video. All right. So I hope you enjoyed that. And so those are the things that had happened looking back at year 2024. And it was an honor to be with some of my partners and meet offline and in person, chat, laugh, and especially to our founders that we really see them in person, and we have to see them. We have to see how they walk, how they talk, how they dress, and how they move. And it's so powerful, and it's a very, very memorable experience. And so that is one um, good event that we will remember throughout as digital business owners in our global community, because we have this one that we jump in, we don't know nothing, and here we are. We are collaborating with each other, and we really don't know before what to expect, but we come in and we learn, and here we are. So we don't know each other before. Miss Tabby is from Melbourne, Miss Regina is from Canada, Miss Nissan is in Illinois, USA. I'm in Hawaii. We don't know prior to this online marketing, but we came in here from diverse culture, different language, different culture, different background, different careers, and we have one goal here. We gotta support each other, and that's what we are sharing to you or to the world, that we can share what we got, and I want you to be a part of it. So before that, can I pick a choose over here? Miss Nissan,
Mm-hmm.
can you please share what is the most you are proud of
Me?
this time?
Okay.
Yes, yes,
There's so
yes.
much, there's so many things happened to me in 2024, not just like as a business owner, but personally. First, I got a new job that I always wanted this because I wanted to go back because it's closer to my home. I love my former job, but if I get to choose, I choose the new one. It's because again, winter time, I get anxiety driving in the snow. So I get that before the end of this year, I was able to go back. On a business side, there's so much to be thankful for this year. First of all, I would like to thank my accountability partners in the business, like these four ladies here. They're one of the group, but I have to thank my mentor for staying with me all through this journey. Thank you, Sis Ate Weni. And of course, all the things that happened in me as a business owner, I was able to achieve a milestone. That's something that I really have to celebrate. I didn't know that at first until somebody from our community told me, "Hey, you should be ranking up." Like, oh, how? So yeah, so we discovered it accidentally. So that's one thing I am very thankful for, that coming out of my comfort zone. 2024 is the year of me that I really come out of my comfort zone. I don't know if I totally came out of my comfort zone, but right now I am very comfortable of what I do. I was able to go live almost every day now. Not just as a group with this beautiful business owners, business partners that I have, but also like a solo live that I do. I get more courage of doing that now. I have learned so much things in our community from the training that our company provided us, our community provided to us business owners, from the step by step, the coaching, and even to the point of me actually doing a lot of more mentorship to our new business owners. So I may not be able to say all of it, but 2024 has been a very good year for me not as a start, because when I became a business owner 2023, of course as a newbie, I don't really know what I was really doing at that time. I was limited with technology because I don't know what to do. But then 2024, I was very, very thankful for this continued education, continued training, to all my business partners who's been very supportive along my journey. Thank you so much. I would say 2024 is just a start. It's just a start for me. I'm excited to see what 2025 will be doing for my business and my personal growth as a person.
Okay, and added to your, we will play with for you,
Oh,
Miss Nissa.
my digital journey, guys.
Yes.
So these are part of my journey as a digital entrepreneur. Thank you. Thank you, Sis Amy, for sharing. So I hope it also inspire our future business owners, our newbies in our community, that they are not alone in doing the business. As you can see, I've been with different people, different group of people that I work for, and then they're actually been very helpful for my growth. Hi everyone, how are you? My name is Nessan, and I am the owner and the face behind this business page, Nessan in Marvin. I'm actually living in Illinois for 18 years now, together with my family. I'm originally from the Philippines, part of Bicol region area, and I am working as a full-time physical therapist assistant, and now a proud digital business owner and mentor.
All right, Miss Nissan, thank you for that.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you,
So
guys. You've been part of my journey.
Lovely.
we are all
The son
together.
is
We
very inspiring.
Thank you.
are all in it together. So
Yes.
okay, who's next? Miss
Ah,
Regina. Come
I don't have a
in.
slide, guys. I'm too busy
Fine.
doing a lot of Zoom. So what I am most proud of, as just like Sis Nessan says, this business is life changing, and it has changed me from the tip of my feet to the tip of my hair. Totally, I am very proud that I am now, I am confidently getting myself back. I am very proud to be able to have the courage to step into my step into this leadership role in an online digital business. Something that never and I always does not wanted to do is to be a leader. I have been chosen. I chose the world of follower since I become an employee. Since I went to abroad, since I become other people's housekeeper, and other people's followers. What I'm very proud of now is that the courage to find out who I am and the courage to follow the path that is chosen for me by our Father. Um, the path I am now, as you can see to me, is by choice. It is not me because by choice I am always shy, and by choice I don't want to be seen. I want to just be as much as possible to be invisible to other people so that they can't see me. But guys, now through this online digital business, it has changed me, and the path that is God is showing to me is the leadership role in our global community. I am very proud now that I'm also getting confident and empowering myself in this online digital business. This is something that I am now using to change our my life, start my family life future, changing our financial situation that used to be at the end of the month as an employee, I was not able to pay all our bills. As an employee, I was not able to even give something to my family back in Philippines because we could not even get over our expenses. But this online digital business, it's helped me to train myself and teach me how to become an investor and an owner of my own other sideline businesses. And this is what we're going to show you. We're going to empower you as well to learn the skills of online digital marketing so that you too can create the resources of your own income. I have learned throughout this online business that the only way for you to really get ahead of life is to take the empowerment, to take the encourage, have the initiative to be the own sources of your income. And in this global business, that empowerment has given it to me. The most exciting thing that is happening in my life is hope and faith. What is it? Is that, guys, every morning I wake up with excitement, expecting something that God has given me a gift for this morning. And the hope of that, even if it is not what I have expected, I am so grateful and very happy that there is something as a good news for me that God has given me. This business will wake you up every day with excitement, and you're going to go to bed every day with hope and faith. And that is the most exciting thing in my life that ever happened to me as an owner in an online digital business. Back to you, Sis Amy.
Thank you so much. That is good one. All right. Can we listen to Miss Tabby? What is the most you were proud of, Miss Tabby, for this year, 2024?
Thank you, Sis Amy. Actually, I was listening to Sis Regina and Sis Maria. Sis Regina actually told both of them actually telling their story. They're so inspire, motivating speeches that makes myself very much inspired. I got very much personal attachment for my own feelings. So obviously this year is very much important for me because I think very much junior according to all of you. You have lots of say about this business. I have just running not that long ago. I joined this business. Before that, my journey wasn't. I was different. I used to own a traditional business, and after finish the contract, we didn't actually extended our contract, and I actually looking for something that I can work from home, like in flexible time, and I can take my business anywhere. And when I came across to my mentor, I saw my mentor ad and I found this business platform. And when I, becoming, um, get first part of it, I instantly I actually took the decision, and I found this is the business platform I was actually looking for. And I'm so glad that I didn't hesitate to take too long to start this business. I have so many reasons to start this business, because of I was too much tired and exhausted to do my traditional business. I missed out so much family achievements, so many commitments, my other commitments. I was earning money, like me and my husband was burned out because of his full-time job, and I was completely like working 7 days, and is too much headache, too much expenses, overall is like too much stress that actually gives us, missed out from family. We haven't seen our parents more than 4 years, so it was too much as a migrant. And being a only child, is very hard, especially when you have missed out so many events, so many incidents from your family, and when they needed you, I couldn't be there for them. So I was actually, very much, that affects me very much mentally. So I realized, no, I don't want to continue the traditional business. In a sense, the business was really good, I was doing really well, I learned so many things from my business, to be honest, to becoming, to get got skill. Because before that, I always work like in retail industry, I work in customer service, I work as a beauty therapist, because my profession, as earlier I mentioned, I'm a beauty therapist. But I always wanted to be my own boss, I don't want to work for others. I found, I have so much creativity. When you work for someone, is is always that you are bound to listen and follow their own rules, your own you don't have any freedom to like to empower yourself. You working for others to make rich and to give all your strength to others, not for yourself. End of the day, you actually gaining nothing. So that's the point hit me. And being as I said, I always dreamed to have my own business. I always wanted to be my own boss, and I always want to work independently, so I can put my potentiality, my creativity, my dream, everything all together to empower myself. So that's how I all these things that I was talking, like motivational, inspirational speeches, everything. Whenever somebody is told, and when I used to see their videos, how to becoming an entrepreneur, um, always motivate me, and I always wanted to be entrepreneur. So when I found this business platform, so I actually grabbed it. I didn't think twice, and I found this business platform is actually made for me. Where else I want to go, I want to travel, I love to mix people, I want to know the culture, I want to make more friends, I like to communicate. I'm a dreamer, so everything is all these elements actually you get in this business. So before that, I was a very, I was working, but I was struggling my own. I was like struggling all those things, all the responsibility by own. But now with my global partners, I can see all my partners. Before, I never met any of them. I don't know how to speak. Even I know how to communicate with my clients. That's a different thing. But when it comes for as making a leadership decision makers, like to make a plan, to use all the other tools, those things actually I learned from this business. So this business platform is make gives me so much, already given me so much that I'm really grateful for. So 2024 is really very much memorable for me, because this year we actually, according to another year, this is very special because this year we have started the journey of digital marketing business. Obviously, not only me, my husband also joined this business. He want to, we doing separately, though we are not competitor, we becoming more friend, from a partner, from a life partner, we becoming more working partner. How cool is that? And he becoming more friend of mine, colleague. And also we share our knowledge, and this year we traveled few places in overseas, meet our families. We have so much memories, so much energy. This year I have gained. So obviously, compared to any other years, this year is very special to me. I have got lots of global friends now. I know I can talk anytime. It is more about, friend than partners. I can tell sis Amy, I can tell sis Regina, I can see Nissan. Now I'm not alone. Whenever I needed anything, I just give them a buzz and they're ready to help me. These bonding, these partnership, these friendship, these helping attitude, you will never get any other business. I can give open challenge to anybody. These not only helping us to grow together, but also these, united. This actually gives learn us how to becoming united. This business platform actually, where all the other business, while you are struggling by yourself, this is, I can tell openly, this is the only one platform then put all the person together, teaches everyone how to becoming united. This is so inspirational for everybody, so motivated for everybody. If we talk about united, unity, like doesn't matter what language you are, what doesn't matter what religion you are, doesn't matter what ethnicity you believe, but we all believe in one thing, that we are working as a team, and we all are business partners, and we working all under one community, that is a global community. So thank you so much, sis Amy, back to you. This year is like very much memorable for me because of, as I explained, I got this business platform. I traveled to overseas. I traveled to few other places, and overall, I'm blessed. I have my parents with me, so I'm very,
All
very much
right.
blessed.
Thank you, Miss Tabi. So we heard our stories. So to me, make it short. I am very proud of these ladies because I met them through this business online. So this is the one part of what I am proud of. But on top of it is my personal growth and development. Um, I wasn't like this before. I am a shy person, like everybody says. I'm not a camera person, social media person, and I realize now I'm doing differently from before and now, and that is a growth that I never even realized that. You will change in this business. There is something that it will change you. And of course, personal development is one, but mainly is your mindset. So if you have that fixed mindset before, you come into our global community and you change that mindset, turn around, and you will have that growth mindset, entrepreneur mindset, and voila, you are out there. So that's what happened to us, and that's what happened to me. And so if you are someone out there listening to us right now and you want to know something about a part of this global community that we are in. And what you can do is you can connect with us or go to our website and register your name and email address, and we will send you a video that you can watch in order for you to determine if this is for you or not. But you is still be the one who have the due diligence to see if this is what you're looking for. Maybe there is a strong why in your life right now that you want to stay with your kids, you want to have time with your family, you want to have time for others, maybe for your community, maybe try to help your charity, help your church ministry. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to buy 2, 3 properties along the way. Maybe you would love to go vacation and financial worries. So those are the things that this business can give you, can give ordinary and everyday people that come in and achieving their dreams. So why not try? We tried. We took a leap of faith. We don't know what's going on, but an opportunity will come to you. Take it, grant it, take that leap of faith, and you will learn on your journey. We will help you to start that.
Sis,
And yes,
I just want to add later on after
yes.
you talk, sis.
Sure. So we are here to help you and welcoming you for the great 2025. Maybe this will be the best for you to give to yourself as well in this Christmas season. So you want to add, Miss Nissan?
Yes,
Go ahead.
I just want to add to what Sis Amy said, since we are in the topic of taking a leap of faith, because we always say later, like, so saying later seems not harmless. We always say later, I'll do this later, I'll do that. It doesn't seem harmless, right? But in reality, it's actually is slowly drifting us away from the life we wanted. So I just want to add that to Sis Amy, like the power of now is now, not later. So guys, take that leap of faith and let 2025 be a different for you guys.
All right. Thank you, Miss Nissan. So if somebody
Yeah,
listening
I
to
want to
us
add
right
some.
now,
Okay, I want to add some.
okay,
Okay, all right. So,
you can
guys,
add.
as Sis Amy has says that for average people, that this is for you. I would say don't treat yourself average. Okay, you're not average people. Don't, because I did that, and that's basically close all the windows and doors of opportunities for you. I'm calling you. Treat yourself that you deserve every bit of everything you want in life. Treat yourself that you are capable to achieve everything you want in life. And I also especially wants to resonate with Sis Tabby. Time is very valuable. If you have an aging parent, now that you are still breathing, it is your time to take care of them.
Yes.
Do not wait for money, guys. Because I was in that situation that I said that I could not afford anything to pay our bills. But waiting for you to have it, it may not come. And yet, your role to be a daughter, your role to be the daughter to look after your parents, it may be too late. Because to me, it was too late. I was too late when I decided that I want to go back home to Philippines. And yet I'm still waiting to have something that I can go back to Philippines. And I was too late. And that was a regret of life. Time is so valuable. Your loved ones will not wait for you. You will not even know if there is tomorrow that they will come to you. So take that ownership, empower yourself, take to be the resources of your income, because money can be earned, but time you can't go back. So
You
this
can't
is the
go
time
back.
for you.
Yes.
That's right.
When you are
So
seeing
it,
us, there is a message for you to take action and become the owner of your own business.
Absolutely.
right. So what
Absolutely.
if we can do it? What can we say to our viewers?
You can do
You
it.
can do
You
it too,
can do it
guys.
too. And
You are
what can
capable
we?
of doing it.
Yes, you're
Yes.
capable of doing it.
And then I know it's holiday. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas.
Pasko na naman tayo.
Holiday.
Oh,
Pasko na
Merry
naman. Merry Christmas,
Christmas.
everyone. It's
Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry
Merry
Christmas. See you next
Christmas
week.
to you. Merry
Mer-
Christmas to
Christmas to
you.
you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Happy Christmas!
Christmas.
Maligayang Pasko at manibagong taon.
All right. Oh. Hey.
I really like this.
All right. And stream.
See?
Yay. Merry Kalikimaka.